Hey guys, it's Marissa again, and here is an Altenew Festive Cluster Die set that I plan to create a card with. And before I continue doing so, don't forget to make a comment down in the comment section below for a chance to win an Altenew stamp. So I have 9 videos this month of November, and they're all holiday cards. A lucky commenter from each one of those videos will have a chance to win either the Best Sentiments stamp and this Grateful stamp. The winner for the Thanksgiving video upload will win this Grateful stamp. That's the November 26th video, and all the other 8 will win the Best Sentiment stamp. So I'm going to put down all the link of the videos down in the description below, so you'll have a chance on making a comment on all those videos, and hopefully you like all of them. I'll start creating die cuts for this festive cluster die set, and I'll be right back to show you how I'm going to put it together. Hey guys, so I'm done cutting all our dies here. I used this Tim Holtz dies here, the holiday script words, and I cut out Season's Greetings from that die set. So I have the Season's Greetings here. Then of course we have the Festive Cluster dies over here from Altenew. This card is 6.5. This is a 6.5 by 5 card base, and so I cut this down to 6.25 by 4 3/4. So this is going to be a fast, easy card, guys, because you know me, I love easy cards and I love die cuts. And I use the die cuts with a view foil paper again to cut the dies, and this is how I'm going to put it: Season's Greetings, and I'm going to lay those up there, and then I'll put the Season's Greetings over here. I am so excited about this card. Again, guys, you know me, I love easy cards, but also elegant. And this is how I envisioned this in my head, and this is what we're going to do. All we're going to do now, because we've already die cut our dies, is to tack this down. And that should be it. So this is why I love dies, because they're so fast and easy. As long as you find what color you want, and you're going to be set. For this one, I'm going to make sure that all the edges have their glue on, then that way I don't want it to be lifting when they pull it out of the envelope later. By the way, the cards, the card bases, I got them from Michael's. For those who are interested to find out where I got the card base for this, it's a black card base, obviously with black envelopes, and I got them from Michael's. So let's put this down very carefully. This glue that I'm using, which is the Art Glitter Glue, is a little tricky because it dries fast, and sometimes it clogs the nozzle of the container. So every so often you'll see me get off the screen so I can poke it with a pin, like I'm doing now. I'm gonna poke it with a pin. let's layer this on the card base. Our card, guys. Let me just wait to have it all dry up, but in the meantime, well, just a reminder, guys, don't forget to make a comment down in the comment section below for a chance to win the Best Sentiments stamp for this video, and also check out the other videos, and you'll also have a chance to win the Grateful stamp. The video going to be released on November 26th, Thanksgiving Day. And I will have 8 winners of the Best Sentiment stamps and 1 winner for the Grateful stamp. Here's our card, guys. It's very simple. You saw how fast I was able to create it. The dies are just awesome. You know, just get the dies, cut them out, and boom, you have a card. It is so easy. What is easier than that? And I love that it looks like you took a lot of time creating it, doesn't it? Anyway, guys, I need you to be healthy and I need you to be safe. And thank you again for supporting me. And I will catch you guys later. Don't forget to comment now. Bye.